Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set a timer in Microsoft Forms quiz step by step. So if you want to limit how long the people can take to the answer questions, so this particular 2025 update is going to make this thing very easy. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on forms.office.com. Over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply sign in with the help of your Microsoft account. Now here you are going to see the option of quiz. So when you click on the option of quiz, you can either open any existing quiz of yours or you can start creating a new quiz from the scratch. Now, if you have selected the option of creating a new quiz from the scratch, you need to add your questions and the correct answer like you normally do. As you can see, I have this particular quiz section ready. So over here, if I want to add timer in this quiz, you just have to simply click over here on the settings that you see here on the top. Now in some of the updates, the settings option can be over here. It can come after clicking on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen too. So once you are here in the settings of your quiz, you just have to simply scroll down and here you are going to see the option of options for responses. Now among these, the fourth option would be of set the time duration. So this is exactly what we want. Now by default, the timer will be set on 30 minutes, but you just have to either reduce it or increase it based on how much time you want to give to your students to submit the answers. Let's say you want to give them 10 minutes to complete this whole quiz. After that, as you can see, the timer is here on the top. You can also just see every changes in the practice mode to see if everything is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.